I'm going to show you how you could make $5,000 a month passively on Pinterest, step by step, and I'll share all my secrets along the way. Passive income is the holy grail of online earning, making money while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy time with loved ones. And Pinterest, with its 320 million active users, offers an incredible opportunity to tap into this passive income stream. Many people dream of earning $5,000 a month on autopilot, and today I'll show you exactly how to make it a reality. One of the biggest myths about passive income is that it requires a ton of work upfront. While it's true that you need to put in some effort initially, the idea that you need to constantly grind to earn money on Pinterest is simply not true. Many people struggle to make money on Pinterest because they're focusing on the wrong strategies, or they're not patient enough to let their efforts compound over time. The truth is, making passive income on Pinterest requires a different mindset, one that's focused on building systems, not just creating content. Another common misconception is that Pinterest is only for bloggers or e-commerce store owners. That's just not the case. Anyone can earn passive income on Pinterest, regardless of their background or experience. It's all about understanding how to leverage the platform's unique features to your advantage, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a minute. Lastly, many people think that making passive income on Pinterest requires a massive following. That's not necessarily true. Sure, having a large following can help, but it's not the only factor. What's more important is understanding how to create content that resonates with your audience and how to optimize your pins for maximum visibility. I've seen people with tiny followings earning tens of thousands of dollars a month on Pinterest. It's all about understanding the game. Now let's get to the good stuff. Setting up a profitable Pinterest account is easier than you think. The first step is to choose a profitable niche, something that you're passionate about and has a large audience interested in it. This could be anything from fashion to home decor to fitness. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This includes creating visually appealing pins, writing engaging descriptions, and using relevant hashtags. Next, you need to optimize your pins for maximum visibility. This involves understanding how Pinterest's algorithm works and how to use keywords, hashtags, and other optimization strategies to get your pins seen by as many people as possible. Don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. I'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. The final step in setting up your Pinterest account is to create a system for generating passive income. This could involve creating digital products such as ebooks or courses, or promoting affiliate products from other companies. The key is to create a system that generates income without requiring your direct involvement. I'll show you some of the most effective strategies for doing this in just a minute. One of the most effective strategies for earning high earnings on Pinterest is to use affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. The key is to choose products that are high quality and relevant to your audience, and to create content that promotes them in a non-spammy way. Another effective strategy is to create digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software. This involves creating a product that solves a problem for your audience and selling it through your Pinterest account. The key is to create a product that's high quality and relevant to your audience, and to market it effectively through your pins. You can also use Pinterest to drive traffic to your website or landing page, where you can monetize it through Google AdSense, sponsored content, or other methods. The key is to understand how to create a funnel that drives people from Pinterest to your website, and how to monetize them once they're there. To recap, making $5,000 a month passively on Pinterest requires a step-by-step approach. First, you need to choose a profitable niche and create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Next, you need to optimize your pins for maximum visibility and create a system for generating passive income. Finally, you need to use effective strategies such as affiliate marketing, digital products, and traffic generation to earn high earnings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box below. And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to check out my next video for more tips and strategies.